The news director is Jonathan Clark.
Joe Connolly standing by. It's 38 now, going up to about 50.
WCBS News Time, 8:54.
I'm Maria. My sister just called to tell me Prestige Lexus December to Remember sales event has started early. Great. I've been waiting all year for this opportunity. Prestige Lexus has amazing deals, super rewards programs, and new models that really satisfy my need for design, reliability, and price. We've always been a Prestige Lexus family, and this year's models are not my dad's Lexus, if you know what I mean. Thanks to my sister, I'm on my way to Prestige Lexus.
Prestige, driven to perfection. Visit PrestigeLexus.com. If you bought a metal detector and invested years combing New York's beaches for riches, if you weathered all the verbal abuse that comes with the odd hobby of hunting for wealth, fought your way through an army of biting flies, if you ostracized yourself from family and friends, spending hours at a time with your head in the sand, and if on one glorious day your beeper goes off like crazy and you unearth a 1,000-pound gold nugget, if you did all of that, you still wouldn't be as rich as a big Powerball winner. Powerball from the New York Lottery. Yeah, that kind of rich.
WCBS News Time, 8:55, with the business news sponsored by Manhattan Motor Cars.
Joe Connolly, Wall Street Journal.
Pat, the Wall Street Journal says the White House is in advanced plans on a modified package of tax increases and spending cuts for Jan 1, and then they would kick the larger issues 6 more months down the road. Dow futures turned up at that by 15 points. The head of Hostess and Twinkies has already said on CNBC, as we suggested an hour and a half ago, that, well, we hope our brands will live on. Hostess claims it's going out of business, but the union says the company is just using them as scapegoats to force them to take pay cuts and then work for cheap for a new owner.